Today we have the 2023 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC sedan. This will be a drive review of this new E-Class. We'll take a look at the exterior, the interior, and sample some of the key features in this brand new E350 4MATIC sedan. Now, under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4 producing 255 horsepower, 273 pound-feet of torque. It has a 9-speed automatic transmission 4MATIC all-wheel drive. On the exterior, it has a polar white, and the interior has a macchiato beige with black MB text, as well as the burl walnut light wood trim. Excellent car, has a ton of options. Now let's go on a drive of this new E350 4MATIC sedan. Wow, feels so agile right off the bat. It's actually set in the Sport Plus mode, as you can see right here. Different drive configurations: individual mode, Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco mode. Set it to the Sport Plus mode. Wow, it drives so well. Has a very soft suspension. Gotta get used to that compared to the more aggressive AMG I've driven in the last couple of weeks. This is a very soft, feels like airmatic suspension in this car. Very smooth, comfortable ride. The seats are very nice as well. They do have side bolstering for comfort. Let me show you guys some of the additional options in this MBUX second generation. If you go over to the comfort menu, oh, they don't have seat kinetics. That's a bummer. But the seats are very comfortable. Hey Mercedes,
how can I help?
Set ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
So this car has good options. So I still receive some support on the side bolsters on the seat. Drives so beautifully. Let's check out the vehicle metrics. Switch to the engine. Drives well. I think the 9G-tronic automatic transmission is excellent for the Z-Class. It's a very elegant car. We also have a number of drive options. We have an Eco mode, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. There is also an individual mode. Right here you can configure your drive configurations, the comfort on the steering wheel as well as suspension. Let's go into the Sport Plus mode. It does go pretty quick. Now on the tire configuration, we have 18-inch twin 5-spoke AMG forged rims with the black rims. Very good spec on the tires. And also this car has the polar white on the exterior with the AMG line exterior package, diamond pins on the front grille, exterior LED lighting package, night package accents as well, which means it has high gloss black elements all around the windows, front fascia and the rear diffuser. Very balanced in terms of the options or packages you can have in this car. Driver assistance package. It's a very well-rounded sedan. Let's sample additional features here. Thankfully this car has navigation, which is a nice feature to have. Right here, that's the phone actually. Navigation. So the engine configuration is just perfect for this sedan. You might be surprised, even though it's a 2-liter inline 4, it does get on the freeway pretty quickly. Some of the other options we have in this car. Let's take a look. We have a phone menu, navigation, radio. This is actually a touchscreen as well, which is nice. And media options, Bluetooth as well as USB. This car has Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto integration. We have a comfort menu right here, colors and brightness in your car. And if I go back one more time, there is an info menu, shows you the vehicle metrics, engine as well as the fuel consumption. If we go back one level, we have apps as well as settings, the driver assistance packages. We have an assistance menu right here, camera and parking, traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, active brake assist, attention assist, traffic light view, active blind spot assist, as well as active lane change assist. So there are some autonomous driving features in the car. If you're going on a road trip, it's excellent. It's going to change the lanes and maintain the active following distances with the cars ahead of you. Dynamic select options, we showed you those. Sport plus mode, which is what I love. So all the right bells and whistles. If you swipe up, you have all the themes. You can switch all your, if you go to the efficiency theme, it changes all the displays. This display and this display are both 12.25 inch on either side. And that's really the theme options. Let's go to a sport theme. And that's his sport theme right here. Overall, it's a solid E-Class. At the center right here, we have two cup holders, NFC wireless charging, and a USB port. Climate control systems down here. There's a climate menu right here. You can just engage and disengage the visual display of the menu just like that. Center armrest is nice when you go on a road trip. You just want to relax in your car. And some storage at the center here as well, with additional 2 USB-C ports. Overall, it's a solid sedan, very quiet. So if this car has a comfort package, so these windows are I'd say almost double paint. I can barely tell if there's any noise outside. It's a very soft, comfortable ride experience. Very little feedback from the road. Thankfully we have 18-inch 2 and 5 spoke rims, which help with that as well. And as you can see, it's a very elegant car, very symmetrical. Love the wood trim all around. It has Burmester speaker system with the metallic covers, very nice, very durable speakers as well. Driver's perspective, memory seating 1, 2, 3, as well as heated seats. That is nice. One thing it doesn't have are sport pedals down here, just regular plastic pedals. But overall, good car. Love the steering wheel with the leather design on it, with the black contour stitching. It's just excellent. And overall, it's a very balanced car. I'll give you guys a price on this E-Class. It's $70,000. That is a steal in terms of a brand new 2023 E-Class. So $70,000 out the door, you have brand new E-Class. Overall, I think I like it. It's not for everyone. Definitely this car has its own market or niche segment, and if you're looking for something quiet, elegant, larger than a CLA for sure. Also have surround camera system, as you can see here. You can see all the different parking options on the camera system all around. Augmented reality, rear, front, back parking systems as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC sedan. Subscribe to Mercedes Lounge. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.